Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. This time, I'm unboxing a Monster High potion. Hopefully this doesn't take as long as my usual unboxings. I have given myself a reputation in my mind of doing like 10-minute long unboxings because sometimes they just get so complicated that it's oh my god, the plastic almost fell off there. See, this is why I end up with fucking 10-minute unboxings. It's because I get paranoid about all of the little bullshit. Okay, so as one can see, this is an opaque little chamber inside of this potion bottle. Let's read the instructions. It comes with instructions. Why, of course it does. Here's our cast of characters that one can get. Draculaura, Claudine, Frankie, Cleo, Laguna, and Spectra. I think I'd probably want Claudine or Spectra. Spectra is gorgeous, and Claudine's just my fave in general. Okay, so I'm supposed to open up this little top lid, plop some little charm thingies that might be in the lid into the little thingy, and pour water in, shake it up, pour the water out, and that will reveal the character, and then I can pull the character out from the bottom? That looks like what these are telling me. I can't confirm, but I'm just gonna wing it. I'm not gonna look at the charms, because I think the color of the charms actually shows what character it is. Probably. And I think I already saw what character it is because I opened it the wrong way, maybe. Oh well, let's just pour in water and see what happens. Oh my god. Well, that was a horrible mistake. I don't know why I did this. Oh my god. I think it's actually working though. Hopefully that little orb was enough. Screw this back up on. Is that... Yeah, that's working. It's... Oh my gosh. I think... Yeah, that's Spectra. That's definitely Spectra. I'm not sure if you can see that, but like the tip of her head is poking out a little bit. It's very difficult to see. But yeah, that's definitely Spectra. I like the little swirling colors. That's fun. Alright. So I just have to unclip this. Oh dear lord, if I do that though, it might spill water everywhere. Alright. Unscrew the top. Pour water. Oh. Getting these little orbs was a great idea. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look at this. Look at this. I have a little potion ball. This is my new favorite toy. 10 out of 10. This is great. I'm loving it. It reminds me of Big Hero 6, Go Go Tamago. Anybody know that? That's what that reminds me of. I love it. Oh my god. And look how pretty. Oh my god. It is such a pretty display stand. Alright. Now I'm gonna actually, like, release her from her plastic prison, though. If I can? kind of... I'm gonna have to cut this part of the video out. Oh my gosh. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, and there's a little bit of purple trapped in the logo at the bottom there. That is, from what I understand, also a display stand? Oh my god, I gotta try and rinse this out. Okay. There's so much purple on me and on everything else. It's a little absurd. I appreciate the amount of purple, though. Very much dedication to the craft. I love purple. Purple is the best color. There is no better color than purple. Anyone who says otherwise is a liar and should be annoyed that people call them a liar. Okay. Just so much purple everywhere. It doesn't matter. That just means the bed will be stained purple, which is the best color to be stained. But yeah, she's got like a little ball and chain as her purse. She's actually really pretty. Oh my god. The hair is translucent and glittery. Oh my god. I can't tell if that's just the way everything is put together, but it looks like she has a skeleton inside of her dress. That's kind of cool. That's kind of really cool. I love that. That might be my, favorite thing ever. 10 out of 10. Little stand it comes with is really cute as well. I enjoy the stand, since it, allows her to stand. I don't think you'll have any problems with standing her, though, because her base isn't like the legs like the other figures. It's her hair, because she's floating. So she seems like she'd probably be the most stable out of all of them. And let's see what her accessories were that were inside this head. Yeah, there's a little package inside here. Little Monster High Skelett logo. Open it up. What do we have? We have some little charms of some sort. These, yeah, there are little slots on the bottle that go for these charms. And the charms are a heart wrapped in chains, a little ghost with a bow, and I think a headstone. This looks headstone. It's giving headstone. Pop them onto the bottle. This side of the bottle, specifically. Ooh. Actually, I want to put the heart first, then the tombstone, then the ghost, to represent the natural process of everyone's life, which is being a heart wrapped in chains, then becoming a tombstone, and then becoming a ghost. That's what everybody goes through, right? Yeah. Absolutely adorable. I spent way too much on this. I had a gift card, so I, didn't actually spend much on this, since, it wasn't my money, it was gift card. But, for some reason, Amazon has these retailing at, $20. Do not buy them for $20. I love them. I am biased. I would buy this for $20, and did buy this for $20. Don't buy this for $20. I shouldn't have even said that out loud thinking of it, because now I probably seem like a horrible douchebag for buying a children's toy at 4 times its marked up price. These are supposed to be going for $5 $5 or $6. I don't know what crack Amazon is on, selling them at $20. But yeah, all in all, reattach the base. Yeah. I love these. These are my new favorite thing. These are, if these had released like 5 years ago, I would have stared at them in every toy store and desperately wanted them. 10 out of 10. I love it. I want some more of it. Send me money so I can buy more. I don't know. Up to y'all. Personally, for me though, I consider this a 10 out of 10 product, and I will be trying to get Claudine, at the very least. Maybe not the rest, because like, Cleo, I love Egypt stuff, but Cleo is just too mean in most Monster High things, so I don't like her that much. She's part of a monarchy family, I suppose, so it runs in the family, but like, yeah, for some reason her story arc in a lot of stuff is that she's mean. Frankie. I like Frankie. I'm not particularly for or against Frankie. I like G3 Frankie. Frankie is cool as heck. But they're not someone that I usually go for. Laguna just has a bad design in G3, especially this one. Draculaura is fun. I like her goopy dress that she has. A thing that I didn't address when opening up the figure is that they all have, like, their designs are all meant to have slimy bits coming off of them, as in, like, oh, they're coming out of the potion and they're covered in slime. And so all of the dresses and stuff look like that, which is really cool aesthetically, but it's not the best idea in most other respects. But, you know, I respect it. It's a vibe. It's fun. Ooh. It looks like there are actually places for these charms that you can put on the potion bottle to attach to the actual toy inside me. So that's fun too. I like it. 10 out of 10. Oh, this is going to be my new obsession, isn't it? Yeah, you are, aren't you? Well, time to devote the rest of my life to this. I'll see you all on the other side. Bye-bye.